Hi, I'm Dick.
And I'm Sue.
And we're up in the old burn today. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful place.
Yeah, beautiful day.
See if we can see anything. It's pretty quiet, pretty quiet.
It's a little quieter today than it's been.
We have detected, about 28 species. Holy mother's cookies. It's a big day.
It is a big day.
But we don't hear a darn thing right now.
Well, that's right. It's a little later in the day. We need to be here at about 4:30.
Yeah, because it's going to be warm today. We're up to a nice 80 something. So you hear that one?
I think so, yeah.
What do you got?
I hear a peer.
Peer. Kind of a buzzy peer. Like that, yeah. Which is?
A Western Wood-Pewee.
Western Wood-Pewee. Yay! A little flycatcher.
A little bit bigger than the dusky Hammonds.
A little bit bigger. Can't really, it's hard to tell size so much.
Yeah, it is.
If you get a look at them, they're not like the other tiny flycatchers in the genus Impidinax. They don't have wing bars and eye rings. They have wing bars, but no eye ring. And they're darker. And the front kind of looks like like it's wearing a little vest if you get a good look directly.
Yeah.
The front kind of like a miniature olive-sided flycatcher.
And of course, he's always out on a branch.
Yeah.
Out in the open.
Yeah, they definitely fly catch. They fly into the open, grab insects, and they're not flopping around in vegetation like a Cordilleran flycatcher or something. Yeah, what else is cool about Wood-Pewee? They nest on horizontal branches, flat pancake nest just right there in the open.
Way in the open. And they just are super abundant after a fire.
Super abundant after fire. It's a common bird in burned up forests, and I suppose if you have to go to another place, they're really, really common.
Right there.
Those are what?
That was a Western Wood-Pewee.
Oh, there's a pewee landed on that.
Right there.
Wait a minute. Let's see if I can zoom in. There. It's on that. Oh, yeah.
He's coming up, though.
He's coming.
Right
Oh,
there.
he just landed.
On that
Oh,
big
boy.
vine. He's coming at us.
Well, now he's gone. So, Western Wood-Pewee. We were talking about identifying it by looking at, no eye ring, darker, kind of a vested appearance. But the other thing that's probably the most definitive ID characteristic is when they land, their tail bounces. Yeah, well, that was interesting.
Yeah, it was. It was a beautiful day.
Beautiful
Quiet
day.
but a beautiful day.
Quiet day. We'll catch you again if there's any birds left tomorrow.
All right, take care.